And just to show you that I'm true to this, not new to this. All right. We'll log on to my Experian. Boom. And it says, hi, Robin. And then it says 800. And notice that it says exceptional credit, you know? And when I add that one trade, let's go to the credit report, and having a variety helps. But when I add that one recent trade, the Bentley thing, look how it shows and it reflects. Let me see. Let me go through some of these trades. Where is it? Oh, Bentley. Here you go. Bentley Financial. And look what it did. It gave me a $100,000 trade line. 562. And it just shows that the green payment, but they see that trade as a auto lease, of course, and I have that option to buy it out. You know what I mean? Variety, it helps.